Hi guys, this is just going to be a quick one. I fitted a new kitchen mixer tap about 6 months ago, and it just came in a bag like this. It only cost £5 and it was unbranded, very cheap. But unfortunately, as you can see here, the jams sticking and the water doesn't come on. Something's obviously gone wrong inside. When you put the hot water on, it just jams. So obviously something's collapsed inside of it. So I bought a new one from Wix, only cost £30, not trying to endorse anything here. So I'm going to fit that. There you see the new kit there with the brand on it, WIX. And it's exactly the same as the old unit, with the fitting kit and everything. So first I've got to remove this old one. Just kidding, I've already undone it all and isolated from the water supply. And then what I'm going to do is remove it and fit the new unit. And I'll just have it show you underneath the old unit. You can see it's started to rust already after 6 months and corroded. So this is what happens when you buy a budget. So there you go, there's the tap installed, feels nice and smooth. That's the new Wix tap fitted. Like I said, not endorsing anything here, but runs fine. And this time I've got a receipt and warranty. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.